Redefining customer satisfaction can be a game changer. Gyptech is on a mission to transform its feedback strategy. The absence of direct insights created significant blind spots in Gyptech's operations. These gaps hindered effective service delivery and customer experience. Understanding customer needs is crucial. Gyptech recognized that addressing these blind spots meant identifying challenges to transform into opportunities. By implementing a real-time experience management platform, Gyptech aims to capture genuine customer perceptions and feedback effortlessly. Using SurveySparrow's user-friendly interface, Gyptech easily set up its feedback mechanism, ensuring an effective collection of insights. The deployment of targeted NPS surveys post-service projects provided immediate feedback on customer satisfaction and loyalty, enhancing service quality. Not only limited to customer service, the feedback platform found its utility across various departments at Gyptech, enriching company culture. From HR to social committees, Gyptech leveraged feedback to influence strategic decisions, fostering a customer-centric environment throughout the organization. With increased response rates, Gyptech pinpointed critical areas for improvement and swiftly addressed major customer concerns, enhancing satisfaction. Excited by initial successes, Gyptech aims to deploy this effective platform organization-wide, elevating service quality for every customer interaction.